Hello, if you're new to this channel, I'm Cecilia. I'm an Indonesian teacher. So, one of my students asked, what is the difference between Janji and Bikin Janji? What is the difference between saya janji and saya bikin janji? Janji, saya janji means I promise. Bikin janji, saya bikin janji means I make an appointment. Janji in this sentence is a verb, and janji in this sentence is a noun. The word janji itself actually is a noun meaning a promise or an appointment. In Standard Indonesian, or what we call bahasa baku, this word takes the prefix ber and turns into a verb, berjanji. Saya berjanji, I promise. However, the Standard Indonesian version is too formal to use in daily conversation. So, in daily conversation, we drop the prefix ber, and this word returned to the word janji, but now it's a verb, not a noun anymore. If you want to learn more about the prefix ber and all other affixes, join the Students Club 2, intermediate level, on my Buy Me a Coffee account, where I upload audio lessons, reading and writing exercises, and other learning materials. Link in the description. Okay, let's continue. Saya bikin janji, I make an appointment. Because the word janji here is a noun, it needs a verb. Here is the verb bikin, means to make. Bikin janji, to make an appointment. Let's see a few examples. Saya janji, saya nggak makan gorengan lagi. Saya mau olahraga seminggu 3 kali. Janji. Maaf, saya nggak bisa datang ke pesta kamu. Tapi kamu sudah janji. Kamu sudah bikin janji? Saya ada janji lain siang ini. Okay, that's it for now. Sampai ketemu lagi ya.